Anyway,
Okay.
I hope I can do justice to this song. Mapilitan lang
You
tayo.
will sure do. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Kuya Push. Come on. Douglas, you're next.
As it breathes, I see the Lord holding near me, and I think to myself, oh, I'm not fool. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, bright as a day. I think at night, and I think to myself, oh, wonderful. Thank you, Lord. Colors of the rainbow, so pretty